everyone, today I'm going to be making vegan peanut butter brownie bliss balls. So what you'll need for this recipe is the Happy Way vegan peanut butter protein powder. I've got the Happy Way cacao powder, some roasted peanuts, pitted medjool dates, some maple syrup, some crushed peanuts, a pinch of salt and some vanilla extract. So what I'm going to do is simply add all the ingredients except for the crushed peanuts into the food processor, blitz it all together until it's nice and doughy, roll them into balls, and then I'm going to roll those balls into the crushed peanuts, and then they'll be ready to serve.